Okay, so today we'll see, as of now, we've seen like a up to now attribute view, analytical view. These two things we seen like today we'll see about the calculation view. Okay, so uh, means analytical and attribute as per articles, it is depreciated. Okay, so calculation view is the best one compared to these two views. Okay, either we can do the complex calculation things and all, and still some couple of projects they are using this part. Okay, so it is the important one. But when it is like who are using lower version HANA system for them. Okay, so when it is come to the higher version 2.0, mostly this also not required. Okay, so instead of this part, okay, we have a like a CDSU, MDP, all these things it came up. Okay, so I'm just connecting. I think already connected. When it is going to expire? Okay, 20th. Okay, fine. So just go into our package. So this is our package. Expert. Okay, from here I'm just creating a calculation view. Okay, so I'm just giving the naming convention CV because calculation view. Okay, so here I will give the demand and supply. Okay, demand is nothing but like uh, means how much demand is there for that product. Okay, supply means procurement, like how much supply we are getting. Like a demand is the sales or sales data. Okay, like how many customers are making ordering, okay, ordered, and how much frequently that product is moving. And supply is nothing but like a vendor, what are the raw materials they get it for that products and all. And here, okay, so yeah, we have it two things set here. One is the graphical and SQL scripts. Basically, we use the always graphical one only, okay, to do this calculation views. And category is the cube. Okay, so cube is nothing but like a, just like a star schema. Star joins is there, right? So a similar way. Okay, so we use the cube. Dimensions is like nothing but like a master data. Okay, so this one cube we use it for transaction data. Dimensions we use for the master data purpose. Like we have a master data, right? Product, vendor. Okay, so such a cases we can go for the cube. Okay, this we can consider cube is like a transaction data. Okay, so just we can consider like a sales order, purchase order, such type of data is there, then we can choose the cube. Okay, so just you click on finish button, then okay, so like previous when we created analytical view, attribute view, we got a semantic, and below we got like joints. Okay, so we created tables, like a dimension we'll get it. Okay, so with that we added some tables and all, and we joined. Okay, when it is come to the calculation view, we have a little bit different options at here. Semantic. Okay, so we have a little bit different options. So let's see one by one. So aggregation already there. So this is the aggregation already, it is available at here. So I'm just adding projection at here. Okay, so this is the one projection. I want two projections. Okay. So projection one, just double click and rename it. And we need to add the tables. Okay, so for suppose you want to sales joins table, like however we are done analytical view, like a sales header and item table. So then we can click on it, then add that tables. Okay, so when it is already we are done this and attribute views, right? So what I'm doing, so here one is I'm just taking with the sales, drag and drop, or else you can use the plus symbol. Anything is fine. Okay, okay, either you can drag and drop or you can add the plus symbol, then you can add it here. Okay, so now I added one is for PO, another was is sales. Okay, so these two data I would like to check the for each product how much supply and demand is there. So comparison of that. Already I created this views, right? So I'm utilizing these views. Okay, now we have an option for the joint concept or union concept. Okay, joint and union little bit near only, but it is not exactly. Okay, so joints we have a different concepts like inner joint, outer joint, right, outer left outer joint, right outer joint, fully joints. When it is come to the union, union means like a it's a common just like a common records. Okay, so we'll see both examples. Okay, first I'm just using the joint concept, then we'll go for the later we'll go for the uh, union. Okay, so now you want to change this projection 1 and projection 2. We can change these names. Where it is. I think here itself I can change it. Let me rename, remove, rename. Yeah. So this is supply. So I can say demand. This is supply. Okay. So now I'm going to join these two to join condition. Just drag and drop like this. Okay, so now we get a joins. Okay, so but these two I'm not given the output fields. Okay, so what I will do, description. Okay, so I will go for the description from this view to where it is. Gross amount I have product description. Yeah, this is the one text and output, and the gross amount I required. So I'm using this one output. Okay, so this I just want to change the name. So this is for sales side, right? Sales gross. Okay. Similar way, I want to supply side also. I want to add the fields at output level. So one is the text, and another one is gross amount. So this gross amount also I would like to change the name PO underscore. Otherwise, we'll get a confusion. So to avoid that, I'm just giving like this. Okay. Now we'll go for the output. Okay, join place. Okay, so here we have a okay, don't worry. Okay, so one is the demand one, another one is supplier. Okay, from these two, I would like to make a join condition at here. Okay, text. I'm just joining the text. Okay, because same product, same category. If it is say, same, then I want to check the what is the gross amount and sales amount. Okay, sales gross and PO gross. Okay, so double click on this join. Okay, so it is the inner join one to one because both places same product only it is available, right? So it should be a one-to-one, and then click on OK. Okay, then output level. Okay, so we can select. Okay, any one text is sufficient. I'm just joining with the text. Okay, so then I want the sales PO, gross amount and PO side gross amount. Both are required, so I just added it here. Okay, this text is common in both places. Then I'm just using the text. Okay, now we can go for next. Okay, so first up to this we can save and activate it. Okay, semantic aggregation still I'm not done. I will get an error now. Okay, so I want to go for the aggregations like, okay, so then aggregation, just select this. Okay, like a join, from join you can connect to the aggregation. Okay, then whatever given output fields, okay, previous join level, those fields will get it at here. So here also you can select and make it at output level. Okay, so text I'm just doing the add to output. Okay, uh, so yeah. Okay, so then these two, okay, so add to aggregations, because this is the calculation part. I'm just using the add to aggregations, and it is the quantity or currency relevant. Okay, so those are all come under the aggregations like a measure. Okay, and this text is comes under the attributes. Okay, so then we can go for the semantic. Okay, I'm just going for the semantic. Just enable this is to attribute. Okay, these two are measure automatically it came, so we are not worry about it. Okay, then okay, so we can go for so now we can go for this save, check, and activate. So let me save and activate. Okay, so it is running. Super. Okay, completed successfully. You want to see the view name? Then we can able to see it here. Okay, so this is my calculation view name. Okay, so you can use by use this view name like in our select query. Then we can get the data also. Okay, now I'm just going for the preview of this data. How we can get and what is the okay. So okay, so to go to the raw data. Oops, insufficient privilege data error. Sorry, what is this error? Okay, something went wrong. UID can be found with I think key field. Let me make it as a key field. Okay, save and activate. Okay, let's try. Inactive version does not exist. Okay, redeploy. Yes, I want to redeploy it. Let me activate from here also. Okay, let me check the preview. Still the same. Mm, this is okay. Let me go. So this is the if you notice how DB database is converted to splitting it, how much usage in like a database level and RAM level. Okay, so partitions, all these are all. CPU uses how much load it is happening, and this is the memory. Okay, residency memory. Okay, that means like used memory, like in disk level, how much uses using that memory allocation part and all. Okay, so these are the partitions. Okay, and here we can go when it is started. Okay, so those are all we can able to see, and how much load is happening on CPU and memory level. Okay, so what cases it is happening. What so host information and all we can able to see it here, and performance. Okay, if it is taking more time, so here we can able to see performance and all. So this is the one which is taking more time. See index servers and all. Okay, let's go to our part. Okay, let me check where we are done the mistake. So the bed level, inactive versions, redeploy. Why it is warning? Let me check this warning. Unmap parameters existed data source. Parameters. Uh, so this is okay. This is also okay. Let me check from the beginning. Best. This is warning only. We can ignore it. But I think somewhere at here, nothing is there to do. So it is generated automatically. This is a key field we give it. Okay. Let me remove key field. So this is okay. Attribute I set it. Then we can go for aggregations. Uh, aggregations. The text for this. So these two I done with this. Let me remove and add again. Add to feed. Add to output. Sorry. This is aggregation part. This is correct, and this is also aggregation part. And then, yeah, this is fine. And come to joints. So this is joint condition, one-to-one relation. So yeah, inner joint, one-to-one relation. This is also correct. Okay, but suppose if I am not added it here, then what happens? I will do again. Okay, so now this is fine. Oh, we should okay. Let me do again. No problem. So this is okay, and this is measure dimensions. The apply also same. Join, then aggregations, then semantic. This is measure already there. Mhm. Fine. Let me say one more time. Not getting where this is unmapped parameters existed in data source. This one, sub this one. Data source unmapped parameters. Here I selected these two fields. Then okay, let's try. Still there is a problem. Execute query. Okay, let me try with the this one
Even I got the same error yesterday. Uh,
yesterday.
it got executed, but data was not there.
Okay, uh, this is okay. Let me yesterday's one. Let me execute either problem with the uh, view or this one. In that case, we need to check with those people, basis team. So in this case, it is coming. That means something we are missing at data is coming means something we are not properly config, but I'm not find anywhere like what is the difference. Uh, Again, it's showing it here. Uh, this place only it is showing. Let me check what this view is correct or not. Okay, then I check it this one only. Okay. Okay, it may be a input field is there, right? So it may be stopping. Let me check this. Okay, instead of this one, SO, better I will use the sales, this one. Let me try. Maybe that input parameter, it may be stopping. Text, still some more error. And what is the warning? Unmapped parameter. What is that unmapped parameter? It's right. Still this warning symbol is there. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me delete entire and add it. Or else let me check. Try. Here. Again, it is not giving any error. Only runtime it is showing this problem. Uh, okay, let me go to details. Information error can be found with the QID. This one. Some QID also giving some data. Might be it is not existed. But in that case, one to one common records it should become. Come on. Log log level we don't have any information again. Sufficient privilege. Let me try it Google. I saw this error actually previous also, but I fix it. And here join also it's not happened properly. Let me check this join. Okay, now it is happened. Right table, left table, correct only. Or else we'll move on. We'll do one thing. I will check this one offline. Uh, so we'll see about the uh, next one. Unions will try. So instead of wasting time, better we'll what it is saying. Yes, same error. We have to apply privilege field where it is view properties. I created a new view with the same problem. After research, I discovered a reason for this. Open the view properties tab. You have to apply privilege to classical. Ah, correct. I said this. Okay. So this is we need to change it to classical. Yeah, I forgot it actually. I remember, uh, but I miss it. This is one. Let's try. Okay, super. Finally, we received. Okay, so then now this is the difference. Like same product. Okay, so for this product, how much they procured? So less. This is pivot gross amount. So less amount they procured, and there is a more demand. See, 1,002.4 is the demand. Like a customer is making an orders that with that much like amount, and but they procure with the less quantity. Okay, so less procurement is happening again. So like this. So in this case, what happens? Same. Like how much customer is ordered, that much procurement also happened. So again, this is like more procurement happen, less like a customers are ordering. That means unnecessarily they maintain stock huge volume at here. Okay, and they keep on they maintain the unnecessarily stock in Godam, okay, warehouse level, but there is no sales for this product. Then what happened? They are wasting, spending lot of amount at here unnecessarily. So which is not demand. Even there is no 50% of demand. Okay, so like this, we can like end users or like owners or some management team, they can analyze this report. Okay, then check it. So which is not much demand. Those are all they can return those product to those vendors, and then they can save some amount as well. Okay, so based on this, okay, they can analyze the data, how much demand is there from the customers and how much supply is available in warehouse level. So like that, they can generate the data and all. Okay, so this is report. Okay, uh, so we'll continue another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see the there is another type of calculation view like by using the unions. Clear, right? So do you have any queries in this?
No doubt, sir.
Good. Okay. So another 4 minutes we have. So instead of that, better we'll join again and we'll continue and we'll complete this part. Okay. Please join again. I'm stopping now.